In this video, we can try some output questions related to string. So the first question, A is a variable that refers to the value Jasmine. So A is having a string. So we have to represent the string inside a box like this. And we have to give the index value. Forward indexing we can give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now next, for I in range length of A. So length of A means how many characters are present in the string A. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length of string is 7. Now see, range of 7. Range of 7 means the value will be from 0 to 6. So the first value of I will be 0. When I equal to 0, we will come inside the loop, print I. What is the value of I? 0 is printed. Now we will go back to the loop. Next value of I will be 1. Print I. 1 will be printed. Next value of I will be 2. Then 2 will be printed. Then 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that there is no more values from the range function will come outside the loop. So in this way we will get the output. Now see the difference in the next question. Same example I have taken. Instead of print I have taken print A of I. Now we can see the difference. We have to represent it inside the box A equal to Jasmine. And we have to give the forward indexing. Now length of A. Length of A is 7. So for I in range, length of A means 7. Range of 7, we will get values from 0 to 6. Now the first value of I will be 0. When I equal to 0, we will come inside the loop, then print A of I. A of I means A of 0. What is there in A of 0? A of 0 it is J. J is printed. Again we will go back to the loop. Next value of I will be 1. Then we have to print A of 1. A of 1 is A. Then next value of I will be 2. Then we have to print A of 2. A of 2 is S. So S will be printed. Next value of I will be 3. Then print A of 3. What is A of 3? M. M will be printed. Next value of I will be 4. Print A of 4. Then I will be printed. Next value of I will be 5. Then print A of 5. What is there in A of 5? That is N. N will be printed. Next value of I will be 6. Then print A of 6. What is there in A of 6? E. So E will be printed. After that we will be coming outside the loop because there is no more values from the range function. So this will be the output. So in this way we can find the output. Now see the difference here. Same question, but here I have written A of I equal to N equal to space. Now A refers to the value Jasmine. Then we have to give the forward indexing. After that, for I in range length of A is 7. For range of 7 means we will get values from 0 to 6. First value of I is equal to 0. For I in range means we will get the values from 0 to 6. First value of I is 0. Print A of I, that is A of 0. A of 0 is J. Now see end equal to space. End equal to space means in the end we are leaving some space and we are not moving to the next line. So the next value will be here and it is not in the next line. So end equal to space, we will go back to the loop. Next value of I will be 1. Then A of 1. What is there in A of 1? A. A will be here. Then end equal to space. Then I equal to 2. Then we have to print A of 2. What is there in A of 2? S. S will be here. Next I equal to 3. Then M will be here. Then I. Then N. Then E. In this way we will get the output. So if you are writing N equal to space means we will get the output in the same line. Now next question. A equal to Python. So we have to represent it inside the box. After that, we have to give index value. Next, for I in range, length of A minus 1. What is the length of A? How many characters are there in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 means range of 5. So what will be the values we will get from the range function? Range of 5 means we will get values from 0 to 4. First value of I will be 0. So we will write I equal to 0. Now inside the loop, one if condition is there. We will check whether A of 0 is present in this. What is A of 0? Capital P. Whether capital P is present in PPTH. The condition is true. So what we have to print? We have to print at the rate. Now it is if statement, not elif. So if statement is there, even if the condition true or false, we have to check the next condition. So again one if condition, if A of I, that is A of 0, whether A of 0 in PYTHO. See here, this is capital P and here it is small letter p. So this statement will not work. So we will go back to the loop. Next, the value of I equal to 1. Again we will check A of 1. What is A of 1? Y in PPTH. The condition is false. So one more if condition is there. We will check that. Whether A of 1, that is Y. Y in PYTHO. Y is present here. Condition is true. So we have to print this statement. At the rate, at the rate, at the rate. Again we will go back to the loop. Next value of I will be 2. Then we will check the condition. A of 2. A of 2 is T. And we are checking whether T is present in PPTH. Yes, T is there. The condition is true. So what we have to print? We have to print at the rate. At the rate is printed. Again one if condition is there. So we will check that condition also. We will check A of 2, that is T. T in PYTHO. T is there. So the condition is true. We have to print at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. In this way we will get the output. Next value of I. Next value of I is 3. And we are checking A of I, that is A of 3, that is H. We are checking H in PPTH. H is present in this. So the condition is true. What we have to print? We have to print at the rate. Again one if condition is there. So we will check this also. We will write A of 3 in PYTHO. So see here, H is present. So we will print that also. That means the condition is true. So we have to print this statement. So at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. So in this way we will get the output. Now the last value from the range function will be 4. So I equal to 4. What is I equal to 4? O. So we will check A of 4. A of 4 is O. O is present in PPTH. Condition false. So we will check the next condition. If A of 4, O in PYTHO. Yes, condition true. It is present in O. So we will print at the rate, at the rate, at the rate. So this is the output. So in this way we can find the output here. Now next question. A equal to book. Now see the difference. A equal to book. B-O-O-K. We have to give the index value again. When you are doing the output question, you have to see the cases, whether it is capital letter or small letter. So here it is, this K is small letter, okay. And we have to give the index value 0, 1, 2, 3. For I in range length of A, how many characters are there in the string A? 4. So it is 4. So range of 4, what will be the values? 0 to 3. First value of I will be 0. When I equal to 0, will come inside the loop. Now one if condition is there. So A of 0 in BBK. That is, what is A of 0? Capital B. Capital B is present in this. So the condition is true. We have to print at the rate and equal to space. So we are not moving to the next line. We are printing the output in the same line. Next, we'll go back to the loop. Next value of I is 1. We will check A of 1. A of 1 is O, small letter O. Whether it is present in B, B, K. Condition is false. If the condition is false, we'll come to the else part. Print A of I, that is O, space. Again, we'll go back to the loop. Next value of I will be 2. Then we will check if A of I means A of 2 in B, B, K. That is also O. Condition false. We'll come to the else part, print A of I. O is printed and equal to space. Again, we will go back to the loop. Next value from the range function is 3, 4, I. Again, we will check A of 3. A of 3 in B, B, K. What is A of 3? Small letter K. The condition is true. If the condition is true, what we have to do? We have to print this statement. If this condition is true, we will print this statement, print at the rate. Again, we will go back to the loop, no more values from the function. The range function. So the output will be at the rate, O at the rate. So this is the output. Next question is name equal to hello. So name is a variable that is having the string hello. Now see here, for A in name. For A in name means, here we will take the first value of name. What is the first value of name? That is H. So the first value of A will be H. Print A. So H will be printed. Now we will go back to the loop. Next value from name is E. Then A equal to E. Then print A. E will be printed. Next it will be L. So print A. L will be printed. Next value of A will be L. L will be printed. Next it will be O. So this is the output. Now see here, word equal to computer. COMPUTER. We have to give the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now length equal to len of word. So what is the length of word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters are there. So length equal to 8. For A in range 0, length, that is range is from 0, 8. That means we will get values from 0 to 7. Now first value of A will be 0. If A equal to 0, print word of 0. What is word of 0? C. C will be printed. Next it is at the rate. Again we will go back to the loop. Next value of A will be 1. Now print word of A means word of 1. So in the next line, what is word of 1? That is O. O at the rate. Next value of A will be 2. Then we will print word of A, that is word of 2. That is M at the rate. In the next line, the value of A will be 3. Again, we will print word of A. Word of A means word of 3. Then word of 3 means P. P will be printed. 1 at the rate will be there. Next value of A will be 4. Now print word of 4. Word of 4 is U. U is printed. Then at the rate. Again we'll go back to the loop. Next value of A will be 5. Print word of 5. Word of 5 is T. T is printed. Then at the rate. Again next the value of A will be 6. Then print word of 6, that is small letter E. E will be printed, at the rate will be printed. Next value is 7. Value of A will be 7. Print word of 7. Word of 7 is R. Then we will print R at the rate. Now no more values from the range function will come out of the loop. So this is the output. Now next question, word equal to super. For A in word. So A in word means the value of word is super. So the first value of A will be S. Print A. What is the value of A? S hyphen and equal to space. So we are not moving to the next line. We are printing the output in the same line. Again we will go back to the loop. Next value of a will be u. Print a. U will be printed. Hyphen and equal to space. Again we are moving to the loop. Next value of a will be p. Print a. P will be printed. Hyphen. Again we are going back to the loop. Next the value of a will be e. E will be printed. Hyphen. And the next value will be r. R will be printed. Hyphen. So this is the output. See this question. Y equal to try. So y is a variable that refers to a string try and the index value is 0, 1, 2. Now x equal to length of a. So the value of x is 3. For a in range, it starts from -1. So we have to give the backward indexing. -1, -2 and -3. For a in range, now see the range function. It is -1, then -1, -x, -1. So the starting index is -1. So we will get -1. Now the ending index is -1 -x. So what is -x? It is 3. So -1 -3, the ending index will be -4. So the range function is like this: -1, -4. Next step value is -1. So from the range function we will get values like this. First we will get -1. Next step value -1. So -1 plus -1, it will be -2. And now -2 plus -1, it is -3. Now -3 plus -1, it is -4. We come to the end value and we will not take the end value. So the values from the range function will be -1, -2 and -3. Now see here. For a in range, yeah, one more line is here, okay. That is I equal to 0 and we are writing I equal to I plus 1 here. So the value of I is 0 in the beginning. Now we are coming inside the loop. For a in range, the first value from the range function is -1. So the value of a is -1. Now print y of I. So what is the value of when a equal to -1? We have to print y of I. What is the value of I? That is 0. So y of 0. What is y of 0? That is t. T is printed. Now slash t means we are giving a space. Next, y of a. What is y of a? What is the value of a here? -1. So that is y of -1. What is y of -1? That is y. Y is printed. Now we are moving to next line. After that, we can see I equal to I plus 1. The value of I is 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1 here. We are going back to the loop. Again, the next value for a will be -2. We have taken -2. Then print y of I. What is y of I? Y of I is, the value of I is 1 now. 1. Y of 1, that is r. So r is printed. Slash t means space. Next, y of a. What is y of a? Y of a is value of a, that is -2. What is -2? Value of y of -2, that is r. R is printed. Next, I equal to I plus 1. Now the value of I is 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Now we are going back to the loop for a in range. Now what is the next value for a? That is -3. Now print y of I. Y of I means value of I is 2. Y of 2. What is y of 2? That is y. Y is printed. Now slash t space. Now y of a. Y of a means the value of a is -3. What is there in -3? Y of -3 is t. So t will be printed. Now no more values from the range function. So this is the output. Next question. S1 equal to must. then S2 equal to try, N1 equal to 10, N2 equal to 3. Now print S1 plus S2. Here we are using S1 is a string, S2 is a string. Plus means concatenation. That means we are joining the string. So we'll get the output must try. Now see the next print S2 into N2. S2 is try and N2 is 3. So this is the replication operator. So try into N2 is 3 means we have to create the try. We have to create the duplicate copy of try 3 times. So the output will be try, try, try. So this is the output.